Alright, what is up YouTube? So we're doing something a little bit different today. Doing an unboxing, which I don't usually do, but got something cool in the mail, and the whole thing about this is that it's mail order, basically online shopping. This is all what this company does, I think. I don't think they have any storefronts anywhere, so you know, that's what this company's about. It's called Crutchfield Electronics, and they've been around for a long time. I think they're based out of Virginia or something like that. Anyway, so I decided I needed a new stereo for the car, for the V-Dub, and it was about time, so let's see what we got in the mail. Alright, so let's see what we got in the mail. Woo! Pretty stoked on this. Let's see, we got here support manual. We got here some popcorn. I think these are some tools for taking out the stereo. I'll show you that in a minute. I think this is another tool. Yep, I don't know why they sent me two sets of tools. And here is the main attraction, the Alpine. Then I let the Alpine play. So anyways, this is the Alpine. I decided to go with the small face. I didn't want a double din stereo. Came with the kit to adapt it to your car. I have a 2003 V-Dub. Came with the wiring harness to wire it into your stock wiring harness, so you don't really have to cut any wires. This is an antenna adapter, and that's pretty much it. So pretty stoked. Got this cool package. Let's see what's in the Alpine box. As you can see, the model number here, UTE-73BT. USB receiver with advanced Bluetooth. So my car is a 2003 VW Golf. They didn't have Bluetooth yet, at least not in cars, in 2003. Ooh, it comes with a microphone. Sick for, you know, phone calls and stuff like that. Hands-free phone calling. Comes with the manual, I guess. And comes with the stereo. And comes with, looks like tools again for taking out the old stereo. So, be looking out for a video on this, an install video on this Alpine, where I'll be putting this into my V-Dub. There you go. It's got the RCA connections in the back, got the wiring harness right here. It's actually pretty light. I was kind of surprised the box that when it came, it was kind of light, but you know, it doesn't have a CD player. It doesn't play CDs at all. It's just a digital audio player. Boom, look at that. Clean. Bluetooth. It's got a USB port right here in front. So you can put flash drives, you know, play music on and stuff like that. So I can't remember exactly how much I paid for that. I will put a link to it in the description of the maybe where you could find it and stuff like that. I had a gift card for like 50 bucks, so that brought down the price a little bit. So I got a good deal, and then this was all discounted. This installation kit here. So again, I'll be posting that, you know, installation video on this pretty soon. But I actually got a really good deal on all this stuff. So you know, this wiring harness you have to buy separately. This you have to buy separately. Everything else pretty much comes with the stereo, but you need the adapter, because the stock stereo is one of those big ones like that, you know. You can replace it with the double din, with the big touchscreen, stereo, but I didn't want that. I just wanted to kind of keep it low key, and actually really wanted to have that little space where I could put stuff right above my stereo. So hope you enjoyed this video. Again, this was the Crutchfield online store. Do shopping, got the Alpine. All right, so thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked it, and till next time, peace.